Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Lily and in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your Facebook password. In order to change your Facebook password, first of all launch the Facebook app. Now tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on Settings and Privacy. And then tap on Settings. Now under Meta Account Center, tap on See More in Account Center. Now tap on Password and Security. Now you can see Change Password option, tap on it. Now tap on your profile. In order to change your password, first of all you will need to enter your current password. After you have entered your correct password, now tap on New Password and type in your new password. For security concerns, you will now have to retype your new password. After you have retyped your new password, simply tap on Change Password. And therefore, you have successfully changed your password. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.